The iPhone 17 Pro Max costs $408. I'm serious. But why Apple is selling for $1,199? Where does this $800 go? Before you dislike this video, let's break this down because it's more complicated than you think. Now, I'm sure you know that Apple is producing the iPhone in China, where labor costs are way lower than in the US. I mean, far cheaper than in the US. So the iPhone consists of several parts. You've got the camera, you've got the processing unit, you've got the storage, the memory, a lot of things. And all of these are actually add up to the cost to make the iPhone $408. So you got the A19 chip, which is the processing unit, costing at $19.85. Then you've got the modem, the 5G module, whatever you call it, $90. The camera, well, the camera's at $80. The display at $80 as well, which comes from Samsung. The memory, also called the RAM, at $21.80. The storage, if you choose the cheapest iPhone, 256 gigabytes at $20.59. And the very long battery life, which lasts for about 1 hour, about $4.10, which kind of makes sense why the iPhone battery is that long. And you're actually right, I lied. The iPhone doesn't cost $408, but $408.13. Oh, and by the way, if you want to add a 2TB model instead of the 256 gigabytes, then you have to add up $112 instead of $20.59, making the end result at $499.54, which is still minuscule to the market price of $2,000. Well, $1,999. I was actually wondering how much it would cost had the iPhone been produced in the United States. A lot of people say different numbers. There was one person who said $3,500, but they didn't specify which iPhone. But there was another source stating that the iPhone could cost anywhere between $30,000 and $100,000. Yes, tariffs. So yeah, the iPhone is very expensive. That's why we should keep making it in China. I don't know what you think. Now, given that the iPhone costs about $400 to $500 to make, where does this $800 to $1,500 go? Well, basically what I told you earlier, all the materials and pieces that go into the iPhone. But we didn't talk about multiple things, like the labor costs, the marketing, the profits, tariffs, and yeah, many more. So the labor costs in China to make the iPhone cost about $12.5 to $30 just to reassemble one unit. Then you've got the marketing, which is about $350 and $450. And finally, you've got the amount that Apple puts in their pockets at about $300. Now, of course, these are not the exact measures, and the real numbers could be vastly different. This because Apple likes to keep that in secret. I tried to find multiple sources. I couldn't find a definite number, but these are possible numbers that other sources came up, which kind of makes sense. So yeah, that's the first video of the 365 project challenge. And I saw one comment on my previous video, and that was from Mr. Watcher, who watched the video. So congratulations, you're the first person who commented on the video, or at least on the series. Here's a cookie, it says biscuits over there, so there you go. Or maybe I should give you a whole bag of cookies. So yeah, just subscribe.